got one. Woo! There's a. Woo! Oh, no! No!
Yeah, that's gone, please. Good job.
So there's probably no wind sound, and we're going as fast as we can possibly go. The boat says it has a max weight rating of 555 pounds, and we weigh 660 combined.
Went out the window when I jumped in.
That's without gear or motor. So
Why do we go one of those?
we're not going very fast. They own that. Yeah, we've been on my boat.
You know they rent them, right?
Yeah, I know they ran them, but they were all gone. If we were on my boat, we'd be alright, but this ain't working out too
Thing's gonna blow up.
bad. We're going really slow. It was slow enough for him to light a cigarette.
Wait for the power.
That's Steve, by the way. That's not till winter time, right?
Turning the boat.
I ain't turning the boat. I ain't turning no boat.
You turn the boat.
No, you don't. Don't move. I'm going right between you.
Ooh, got one. Got one. Hey, go
There's a guy.
Got one.
There's a guy.
Got one.
Oh. A little pike.
Oh, Pike.
Yeah, the camera's on. You need pliers? Did you hook him in the eye?
No, he's in the mouth. Minnow. Yeah, you got some pliers?
Yeah, that first. Don's got some, I guess, down in his first pocket. There's some in there. Whoop, yeah, and back he goes. I'll see if I can't catch him again.
That was a good one. All right, go ahead.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
Oh, God. Hold on. That's a big one, dude. What is it?
I almost say a grinnell, the way that thing's fighting. Oh, he didn't wrap around it, did he?
Yeah, he did.
Damn. Hold on, don't try to pull it. Let him try to untangle himself.
Yeah, I don't think he's going to. Oh no!
Is he off?
He's off. Oh
Damn, dude.
man.
Was that where they're going?
Guy.
Alright. I caught me the crap. That's a big one.
Woo!
You ready for him to break the line right as I try to get him in?
Pull him in. Hurry up. All right.
I landed him. Hey.
What'd you catch him with?
Spoon.
Spoon.
Only thing I ever use that
We need-
benefits me in some kind of way.
We need to get fish grips.
Oh, great. Now we got fucking
Grab him by the gills. Hold him up.
hold it. Yeah. Ah, don't. It's okay.
There he is.
You take a picture.
It's a video. That's how it works.
You hook him in the mouth. You take a picture on my phone.
It's a video.
I-
It's better.
That's not what I have.
It's like a lot of pictures shown to you really fast
Steve, can you take a picture?
with sound.
Damn it, you women.
They're so fast you can actually hear the sound.
All right, this ain't my gar, but it's okay.
Alright, there you go.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Appreciate it, dog.
Good one.
Fish on. Fish on.
Got a guy. There's a guy. A little pike. They're down there.
Oh, your fishing rod got wet while you were fishing?
This ain't no honey hole, okay?
No, this is a hung up hole.
Oh, oh, oh.
Oh, all right, honey hole. Hey! Well, pickle.
Hey, get me over there. Paddle me.
Oh, right on it.
Paddle me.
Where's the paddle?
Hung up. Again. The 5th time in this one place. Oh, no, no you don't. No you don't.
If it gets off, I'm gonna shit my pants.
Barely hooked too.
Hold on, I'll get him. Maybe.
Oh God.
Just break the limb.
Break the limb.
Just break it. Cause I want my line back. Yeah, I would like to.
Yeah, I would like to.
Good little pike. All right, bud.
Swim back to the boat, you fucking
Back you
whore.
go.
You're gonna have to edit so much out of your video.
There's one.
Oh yeah,
There's one.
Good one.
Get him, Steve.
that's a good one.
Woo!
That's a damn good one. Is that pike? Looks like it.
Oh, I think it's a grinnell.
Is it?
Oh, bowfin. Oh yeah.
I bet they're
You should let him wear out a minute.
Yeah, no, that motherfucker's on track.
First time I've ever caught one. Huh?
Really?
Yeah, they're fun.
Oh, shit. Yeah, they fight like a bit.
We, we should have got brought a net. Do you think we'd have learned?
Yeah, after about the 8th one that's destroyed everything,
Yeah, he might snap your line eventually, but
I'd snap your arm. Motherfucker's crazy.
That's a nice one.
yeah, he's a good one.
Now those, typically you don't put in the boat. You can try.
Oh, we're gonna put him in the boat. We're gonna put him in this boat. All right, let's see. You got him. Oh, all right. There he is. Oh, he swallowed it too, didn't he? Just grab him up behind it.
Crazy.
It's a fucking arapaima.
Oh my God!
Dude, we got a dinosaur in the boat.
God
Jeez.
damn it. It's a dinosaur.
Just stick your fingers in his gills.
I'm trying to.
Don't let him bite you.
They're so
You gotta
freaking-
get him up in there, or he's going.
I hope you know if you catch something. I'm gonna reach out, grab your line, and fucking got it.